Welcome friends. In this video, we are going to learn how to calculate approximate values of a square root by using long division method. This means in this video, we are going to learn how to find a square root of any positive integer by using long division method, whether it is a perfect square or not. And we shall learn this method by an example. The example is as follows. Find the square root of the following numbers up to 2 decimal places by using long division method. So let us start with part 1, and in part 1 the given number is 3,90,626. First of all, we shall write this number in a proper way, actually in the middle of the paper. Secondly, we shall place bars over each pair of digits starting from the unit digit like this. This is the first pair of digit starting from unit digit, and this is the second pair, and this is the third pair, and no single digit remains here in this question. So we have exactly 3 pairs, and now we shall draw 2 lines like this, and now we shall think about a number whose square is less than or equal to this 39, first pair of the digits. So we observe that 6 is the largest number whose square is less than and equal to this 39. So we shall write 6 here and 6 here, and now we shall multiply this 6 with this 6 and get 36 to write here. Now we shall subtract 36 from this 39 to get 3, and the next step is to bring down the next period, and this is 06. So the number becomes 306, and now we shall add 6 to this number here, and now we get 12 by adding these two 6. And here is a very important point to learn, that we left a blank place to write a digit here, and now our work is to find the next digit in the quotient. And how we can do it? We can do it by the method leave this unit digit of this number 306 aside and take the number 30 and write here, and divide this 30 by this 12, and if we divide this 30 by this 12, here it goes 2 times. Here it goes 2 times. So the next digit in the quotient will be 2, these 2, and we shall write this 2 here and here. Now this number becomes 122. And our next step is that we shall multiply this 122 with this digit. So if we multiply 122 by 2, we get 244. This is how we can find the next digit in quotient and multiply. And now we shall subtract 244 from this 306 to get 62, And our next step is that we shall add the unit digit of this number 122, and the unit digit of this number is 2, so we shall add 2 here. And if we add 2 to this number 122, we get 124. And our next step is to bring down the next period, and the next period is 26, and we have written here. Now our work is to find the next digit in the quotient. And how can we do it? We can do it by the method. We shall keep this unit digit aside and take the number 622 right here, 622, and we shall divide this 622 by this 124, and we observe that here it goes 5 times, so we shall write 5 here and 5 here. And now we shall multiply this number 1245 with this digit 5, and if we multiply this 1245 with this 5, we get, and if we multiply this number 1245 with this 5, then we get 6225, and here is 6226. So if we subtract 6225 from this 6226, we get 1. But in our question, we are directed to find the square root of the numbers up to 2 decimal places. So what to do now? First of all, I am giving you a technique, and the technique is put a decimal point here and here and add zeros in pairs. And because we have to find the square root up to 2 decimal places, then we shall add 2 pairs of zeros in the right side of the decimal point. And now these 2 pairs of zeros are next periods. So we shall continue our method to finding the square root. Now we shall bring down the next period, and the next period is 00. And now we shall add this unit digit to this number, and if we add 5 to this number, we get 1250. And what we observe? We observe that we cannot divide this 100 by this 1250. So what to do here? We shall put a 0 in quotient here after the decimal point and bring down the next period, and we shall put the 0 here also. And what we observe? We observe that we cannot divide this 10,000 by this 12,500. So we shall put another pair of zeros here and bring down it after putting zeros here and here. So this is our approximate square root of the given number. So we can write here square root of 3,90,626 is equals to 625.001. This is our solution of the question. Thank you.